Welcome to Weather with Whittaker, Snow Day edition. It's about to get awesome. Well, good afternoon. I'm meteorologist Miss Katie Whittaker with your official Red Hook High School and Mid-Hudson Valley forecast for the week of February 1st, 2021. Well, the nor'easter is certainly underway. We have picked up probably about 5 to 6 inches here in Hopewell, New York. The storm is really just cranking up. There are some bands that are intensifying, bringing 1 to 2 inches of snowfall per hour. That is a really high rate. I'm not sure if it's strong enough to bring thunder snow, but you never know with these kinds of intense storms. We are far from through with this storm system. If you take a look at the weather map, you'll notice that low pressure set up in the very typical nor'easter fashion, set up off the coast of the Atlantic. Winds backing in off the ocean causes it to bring in a lot of moisture. Cold air, as we know, has been in place over the last several days, so we get the snowfall and lots of it. Now, if we go to the map for Tuesday morning at 7 a.m., this map is unreal. Has that low pressure still sitting off the coastline. Dark blue meaning snow is still likely. I think that most intense snowfall will be for your Monday afternoon and into your evening time. Snow tapering off to snow showers, but I don't think we're going to be out of the woods for your Wednesday. Model data and the forecasting maps both showing snow showers throughout the day actually on Tuesday. Now I think here we'll see maybe another 8 to 10 inches, possibly more if you set up in one of those heavier bands. And for your for your Tuesday, I think we could pick up maybe another inch or two. So again, most of it will be held to your Monday and Monday night, but I do think we'll see some snow showers still around for your Tuesday. What's with the mask? I'll tell you what's with the mask. It's the question of the week. What's Groundhog's Day? So those of you that know me know that I love Groundhog's Day. I don't know why. It's a very quirky holiday, and I remember growing up in elementary school, they always had these really cool classroom events that I think made it like a special holiday for me. But what is Groundhog's Day really about? So let's get to that. All right, so the first Groundhog's Day here in the United States took place on February 2nd of 1887. And it comes from this old tradition called Candlemas, and Candlemas happens halfway between the winter solstice and spring equinox. So that's right, we are halfway through winter on February 2nd. So the early people believed that a sunny Candlemas meant 40 more days of cold and snow because, well, that makes sense. Clear skies tend to bring colder temperatures with it in the wintertime. The Germans adopted it and made it their own, and they said that the day was only sunny if the badgers and other small animals saw their shadows. When the Germans came to the United States in the 18th and 19th centuries, they brought the custom with them, but instead of using badgers, they used something more local, and that would be the groundhog, the prognosticator of all prognosticators, as they say at Gobbler's Knob on Groundhog's Day in Punxsutawney. So tomorrow morning, Tuesday morning, when they take Phil out of his burrow, if he sees his shadow, that means 6 more weeks of winter. If Phil does not see his shadow, that means an early spring. But don't get too excited. Phil's only accurate about 40% of the time. Hey, I'm even better than that. All right, let's get to your 5-day forecast. So for your Tuesday, look for light snow showers. I think the wind could pick up as well. Look for temperatures in the lower 30s. For Wednesday, look for an AM snow shower possible. Mostly cloudy skies, may see some partial clearing later in the day. Highs again in the low 30s. For your Thursday, partly cloudy with a high in the mid to upper 30s. For your Friday, data is showing actually some snow likely, but the temperatures look a little too warm for that, so it'll really depend on the temperature range there, but I do think we'll see another storm system for Friday with highs in the mid to upper 30s. And then for your Saturday, look for partly sunny skies and highs in the low to mid 30s. Thank you so much for tuning into this week's Weather with Whittaker. Enjoy the snow, stay safe, and I will see you next week. Time to hit the slopes.